Hello, my lovely learners, and welcome to Easy Stories in English, the podcast that will take your English from okay to good, and from good to great. Today we are talking about 14 smart ways to learn English fast and build confidence quickly. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, with an estimated 1.5 billion people using it. So, it's understandable that you want to know how to learn English fast after all. It's becoming increasingly important for business, travel, and online communication. However, many English learners struggle to become fluent speakers, or even find it difficult to start learning properly. Whether it's new vocabulary, tricky grammar rules, or simply a lack of time and direction that's holding them back, here we have 14 tips to learn English quickly and effectively. And we hope that you can put a few of them into practice to learn faster and gain confidence sooner. How to learn English fast? Take a look at these tips for learning English faster than you were before. Some of them are completely free, which is ideal for anyone who wants to practice English without spending anything. If you want to ultimately become fluent in English, though, you may wish to invest in premium courses, resources, or private lessons. Either way, the best way for you to learn English quickly is probably by combining several of the following approaches. 1. Set meaningful goals. Do you want to learn English fast? Do you have an upcoming trip to a country where English is the native language? Do you need to take an exam to get the job you want? Whatever the reason you're learning English, setting yourself meaningful goals can really motivate you to progress quickly and stay focused. I want to learn to speak English fluently is a bad example of a goal, because it is too vague. How will you actually measure your success? We have a separate guide to setting meaningful goals for learning English, but here are a few examples. I want to learn American English so that I can hold conversations about everyday topics such as food, family, and travel when I visit the United States in September. I want to take the IELTS test in 3 months' time and get a score of at least 6.5 so I can begin my postgraduate studies within 6 months. I want to be confident and fluent enough to start an English language YouTube channel about marketing. As you can see, these are all clearly measurable and have a specific time limit to keep you on track. Once you have set yourself one or more goals, you can choose a suitable learning method. For example, if your goal is to pass the IELTS test, look for a tutor who specializes in test preparation. If you want to be able to discuss a certain topic, watch videos and read articles about that topic in English. If you start to feel discouraged, take a look at some quotes about learning English to give you fresh inspiration. 2. Immerse yourself in the English language. Learning through immersion is very effective, as you will hear and see English everywhere you turn. When English is in the background of your life and surrounds you in everything you do, you have no choice but to take notice. In fact, this leads to what is called implicit learning or unconscious learning. Studies have shown that not only is this a valid way of learning without making a conscious effort, but it can be especially helpful with learning grammar structures. Ways to improve your English quickly through immersion include watching English TV shows, watching movies in English, with or without subtitles to help doing your hobbies in English, whether it's online games, sports, or anything else. Playing word games in English with friends, changing your phone to English language, listening to English podcasts, audiobooks, and radio shows. Check out our top podcasts to learn English. Reading the news online in English. When you read a word in a book, then hear it on a podcast, and again in a video you watch, it'll stick in your head far better than if you just encountered it once. 3. Use technology to speed up your English learning. If you're trying to learn English from textbooks, you're missing out on a wealth of resources available through English learning websites and via apps. New technology, including AI learning models, means you can take personalized online English courses that are tailored to your ability and let you learn completely on your own schedule. You can also access online classes and private lessons with a teacher anywhere in the world, any time of day, making it easier to improve your English language skills whenever you have the time. Here are some of the top apps and programs for you to check out if you want to learn English fast using the latest technology. Gymglish, engaging lessons created with an AI learning model that personalizes content according to your level and progress. Lessons are scheduled daily, but you can advance faster if you wish. Rosetta Stone, immersive learning with speech recognition technology to help with your accent. Live coaching from native speakers also available. Lingabee, learn through watching videos and TV shows, using interactive dual language subtitles to explore new words. Great if you want to focus on English for real-life situations, and you watch lots of TV anyway. It even integrates with Netflix. 4. Take an intensive English course if you have the time and the budget. Then arguably the best way to learn English fast is with intensive English classes. This method of studying English involves cramming a lot of learning into a short period of time. So we'd recommend this if you have an especially tight deadline for some reason. British Council has a great intensive English course option that gives access to up to 15 live classes per month, as well as premium online exercises. You can also find intensive courses on Udemy. These are good because you can work through the lessons as quickly as you like. But on the downside, there is no live speaking element included. 5. To learn English speaking fast, focus on sounds first. There are, perhaps surprisingly, only 44 sounds in the English language. Learning 44 sounds seems much easier than trying to learn hundreds of thousands of words, doesn't it? For help with this important foundation of English language speaking, try a comprehensive pronunciation course like this one, which also helps you improve your accent and sound more like a native speaker. 6. Get a private tutor for focused language learn engine listing. An English tutor or teacher can be an effective way to quickly learn English. There are many factors that make English hard to learn, but a tutor can provide personalized attention, tailor lessons to your needs, and provide you with feedback on your progress. Additionally, tutors can create a study plan that suits your schedule and learning style. Whether you want to improve your grammar or perfect your English writing skills, Preply is a good place to look for private English tutors. While Lingoda offers small group classes where two for people learn together. 7. Join a language exchange to learn conversational English. Fast language exchanges are a good place to practice English for free, and especially to gain exposure to the kind of English vocabulary and slang that native speakers use every day. There's just one catch: you pair up with someone who wants to learn your native language, and you teach them in return for them teaching you English. You can chat online, send voice notes, and so on. Explore some of the best language exchange apps and websites here. Other options are to find a conversation partner locally or join an English club near you. Here, you can meet with other language learners and help one another, whether or not their first language is English. The speaking practice will boost your confidence and give you new topics to think about. 8. To learn English words fast, create digital flashcards. Use an app like Quizlet to create custom flashcards for the words you want to learn. Quizlet also has a selection of pre-made digital flashcards to help with learning English and studying for exams such as IELTS, TOEFL, and TOEIC. If you prefer to do things the traditional way, just keep a notebook with you and write down any new words you read or hear as you go about your day. Look them up in a learner's dictionary, then keep coming back to them as you memorize them. It can also be helpful to leave yourself notes around the house in places you'll see them often, or pop a note in the back of your phone cover with a few new words on it. Set yourself a goal to learn a new word every day as a minimum. and see how quickly you'll learn a wider vocabulary once you are at intermediate to advanced level. Don't forget to add some English idioms to your vocabulary. 2. Learn English faster by practicing regularly. It may sound obvious, but in order to learn a new language you must practice often. Although the immersion tips above will help, nothing replaces practicing your speaking skills through conversation or repeating new words and expressions. Should you focus more on speaking practice or on reading and writing skills? Well, you could say that speaking English regularly helps you practice what you already know and become more confident with using your knowledge. On the other hand, reading is a better way to learn new words and see how to structure sentences like a native English speaker. A local English course, language exchange partner, or private tutor can help you start speaking English more confidently. But you should accompany this with English classes or an online course so you keep expanding your knowledge. 10. Travel to English-speaking countries. If you have the opportunity to travel to a country where English is the native language, this is bound to accelerate your progress. Being surrounded by people speaking English and having to read English wherever you go is a great way to learn the language faster. Even a short trip for a few days can be of benefit to English language learners. 11. Spend more time on social media and English. Yes, it's true. According to this study, spending time on social media can help with a number of different English skills including reading, writing, style, grammar, usage, lexical variation, communication skills. So, no need to feel guilty about all that time you spend on social media, as long as the content you're browsing is in English. 12. Decide what is good enough for you. There is a difference between speaking English well enough to be understood and speaking English perfectly. Spoiler, even native speakers aren't perfect all the time. So, if speed is more important than precision for you at this stage of your English learning journey, you may want to ditch the detailed grammar lessons and instead focus on learning vocabulary and practicing your speaking and listening comprehension. You can always come back and hone your English grammar skills later on. Plus, if you're mainly using English for writing, a proofreading tool like Grammarly can be very helpful for correcting your mistakes and teaching you how to improve. On the other hand, if you want to speak English correctly from the beginning, it's important to cover all facets of the language in equal measure. Discover more about how long it takes to learn English here. 13. Challenge yourself, but don't go too far. Whichever of these learning methods you choose, one of the best ways to learn English faster is to constantly push yourself a little beyond your current level. If you find yourself becoming too comfortable with the materials you're studying, try moving up to the next level or module. This approach will help you progress through your course faster and begin learning new topics sooner. However, don't be tempted to jump too far ahead to the point where you don't understand most of what you're reading or listening to. This really won't aid you much with the learning process. 14. Make it a habit. Setting yourself a regular schedule will help you learn English consistently and retain information better. Apps like Gymglish are great for this, as you can set a daily reminder via email or phone notification, ideally at a time when you know you'll be able to complete your lesson for the day. It's also easier to form habits if you have a trigger for them. For example, you could commit to looking up 5 new English words while you eat breakfast, or listening to a podcast in English while you drive to work or school. Conclusion: we hope these tips have given you some inspiration on how to learn English quickly. Begin with a strong goal, then build up your exposure to the language in as many ways as possible to supplement your English studies. We are fortunate to be living in a world where there are so many ways to learn English for free, whether online or some other way. However, if your goal is to learn English fast, you may find it worth paying for an app or course for more structured learning. Private lessons with a tutor are also a great way to improve specific areas such as speaking, reading, or writing. Finally, remember that consistency and practice are essential ingredients in mastering any language. So, even if it feels like your progress is slow sometimes, keep moving forward and practicing regularly.